Hello students, welcome to another lecture by Shikuyaa. Let's upskill. In the last lecture, we have seen the basics of arrangements, where we have gone through what are the types of arrangements basically, as we have understood and we have studied that basically there are two types of arrangements. One is seating arrangement, another is complex arrangement. And again in the seating arrangement, there are two subtypes. One is linear arrangement and another is circular arrangement. Linear arrangement is the one in which people are sitting in one or two lines or one or two queues, and in the circular arrangement we have seen the people are sitting in a closed loop. Also we have seen that there are different types of data that we have been given while we are solving the questions of arrangements. So there are basically three types of data. One is definite information, another is comparative information, and third one is negative information. So on the basis of these types of data, we are going to differentiate the information. We are going to place this information in the diagram which is required to drawn in order to give the answers of the questions. Okay, so let us today solve two more examples based on this seating arrangements. So let's get started with our first question. So the very first question in front of you is A, B, C, D, E and E, F, G and H are sitting around a circle facing the center. D is second to the left of H. Right. So let's read entire data once in a first glance, and then one by one we will be putting that information which has been given in the particular paragraph. Okay. So first what they have given is A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. So how many people are there? 8 people are total there. So and this is a circular arrangement. So let's first draw a circle, and let's place this 8 people on this circular arrangement. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this is a basic structure of our arrangements. First information is D is second to the left of H, who is third to the left of A. What they have given is, now as I have already told you, they have given in the information that all are facing towards the center. All are facing towards the center. So according to that, we have to decide the left and right directions of each and every person. So as they are facing towards the center, the right directions of person sitting over here will be this, and left will be this. The right direction of person sitting over here will be this, and left will be this. This right is, this is left, right, left. So in general what we can state is the anti-clockwise rotation is in the right direction. The anti-clockwise rotation is in the right direction and clockwise rotation is in the left direction. So this is our basic understanding. So according to that we are going to place the data. Okay, so let's read all the statements one by one, and according to that let's place the data in the diagrams given over there. Okay, so in the first statement what they have given, they have given that D is second to the left of H. D is second to the left of H. Now let's assume H is over here, H is over here, and D is second to the left of that. So right this direction will be this, left will be this. So 1, 2. So D will be definitely here, right? Then who is third to the left of A? Now they have given D is second to the left of H, and when after comma, when again they state some information, who is third to the left of A means they are stating this information in regards with H. So who is third to the left of A? It means H is third to the left of A. Third to the left of A means from here the left will be this. So 1, 2 and 3. So A should come over here, right? Sorry, what they have given is H is, who means H? H is third to the left of A. So third to the left means A should come towards the right hand side. So suppose if we can assume A over here, because it is third to the, H is third to the left of, so this is right, this is left for A, 1, 2 and 3. So we can assume A over there. Next, what they have given, B is fourth to the right of C. B is fourth to the right of C. Who is the immediate neighbor of H? Who is the immediate neighbor of H? Now here we have to understand, whenever we have been given a certain couple of statements, then in that first we have to understand whichever are the statements which have been given in comparison with all the objects which we have already placed in the diagram. So right now A, D and H have been already placed in the diagram. So now we should look for the statements which are related to these three. So as they have given, B is fourth to the right of C. B and C, I don't have the information regarding B and C after this diagram, but further what they have given, who is the immediate neighbor of H, means they have stated something about C in comparison with H. So this is comparative information. So C is immediate neighbor of H. So C either will come over here or will come over here. But we have to place that C which will satisfy the earlier condition. B is 4 to the right of C. B is 4 to the right of C. Suppose I have placed C over here. So B should come 1, 2, 3 and 4 at this position, which is not possible because A is already there, right? So I can write C over here and hence B will come over 1, 2, 3 and 4. So B will come over here because what they have given, B is 4 to the right of C. So right direction for C is this, left is this. So if we have placed C over here, 4 is 1, 2, 3 and 4, where A is already placed. So this cannot be the condition for C, and hence we have placed over here because they have given it is a immediate neighbor of H. Further, G is not a neighbor of B or C. So where is B? So G cannot be placed over here. Here B is already placed. So G could be either at this position or at this position, right? Further, F is not a neighbor of B. So F cannot be a neighbor of B, means F cannot be placed over here. So F cannot be placed over here. Then G is not a neighbor of B and C. G cannot be placed over here. G cannot placed over here. So there is only condition left for G is this one, because G cannot fit over here. G cannot fit over here. Now further, now the two statements have remained, right? Two statements have remained. F is not a neighbor of B. F is not a neighbor of B. So F will not come over here out of the two positions which are remained. So F will definitely come at this position and E will come at this position. So your diagram is DGH, DGH, CFA, CFA, EB, EB. So this will be your final arrangements. When you complete the entire arrangement, you have to just cross check whether all the objectives, all the objects that you have put in your diagram, are they correct or not. So let's one by one read all the statements and let's confirm whether all of them are correctly fitted or not. So the very first statement is D is second to the D is second to the left of H. So D is second to the left of H. This is right, this is left, 1, 2. First condition is satisfied. Second, who is the third to the left of A? Third to the left of A. Who? H is third to the left of A. So here is A, 1, 2, 3. It is third to the left of A. Next, B is fourth to the right of C. B is fourth to the right of C. So from here, right is this, left is this, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it is also satisfied. Who is the immediate neighbor of H? So who is means C is immediate neighbor of H. So it is there. Next, G is not a neighbor of B or C. So G, here G should not be there, here G should not be there, here G should not be there, and here also G should not be there. So there is only one position for G that left, that is this one. And the next is F is not a neighbor of B. So F should not come over here and over here. So here A will come. Let's give the answers of the questions which are based on these paragraph. So first question is, in which of the following pairs is the first person sitting to the immediate right of the second person? DG is, yes, DG is our answer. Next, sorry, go to the previous one. None of these. HB are they? No, HB is not correct. GH is also there. BE, yes, BE is also there. What they have asked is, in which of the following pairs is the first person sitting to the immediate right of the second person? All of them instead of HB. All of them instead of HB are sitting to the immediate right to the second. So the question must be corrected that who is not sitting to the immediate right of second person. So your answer must be HB. Okay, the question must be corrected. All the pair, that is right from DG, then HB and BE, all are seated to the immediate next to each other. So the question must be who is not sitting to the next to each other. So your answer must be HB. Okay, next. What is F's positions with respect to G? So what is F's position with respect to G? It is 1, 2, 3. So third from the right and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth from the left. So which of this among two has been given in the option? Third towards the right. This is your correct answer, which is option D. Okay, you have to identify the positions from both the sides. So from right hand side 1, 2 and 3, third from the right, and from the left hand side 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it is fifth. Let's go to the next. Who is sitting between A and B? Who is sitting between A and B? Your answer is E. E only. Option A. Next. How many of them are sitting between C and B? So where is C? This is B and this is C. There are 3 people sitting between them. Your answer is option D, 3 only. Right? Go to the next. This is a second arrangement, second diagram which has been given to you. Just try this one at your level, and then again let's get started to answer the questions. Six persons A, B, C, D, E and F are sitting around a circular table facing the center. Okay. One, two, three, 4, 5 and 6. All are facing the center. C is sitting in between A and F. So let's draw this A, F, C. So this is a trial diagram. B is sitting 2 places to the left of E. B is sitting 2 places to the left of E. D is sitting 2 places to the right of F. What there? D is sitting 2 places to the right of F. So here is F, 1, 2. So here must be D. What there again? B is sitting 2 places to the left of E. 2 places to the left of E. So here it must be E and here it must be. First condition is C is sitting between A and F. This is A, this is F, this is C. First condition is satisfied. B is sitting to the 2 places to the left of E. B is sitting to the two places to the left of E. 1, 2. This is first, this is second position. And then D is sitting two places to the right of F. So this is F, 1, 2. So let's go to the questions. What is the first question? Between which of two persons does D sitting? D sitting between B and E, which is given in the option B, right? Between which two persons does D sitting? D is sitting between B and E. Your answer is option B. Go to the next one. Who is sitting diagonally opposite to A? Diagonally opposite to A. Who is sitting? Your answer is none of these, because diagonally opposite is B, A, which is not given in the option. So answer is D, none of these. I hope you all have understood both of these questions. So the seating and complex arrangement, this basically seating arrangement is mostly about the drawing correct diagram. In the last lecture we have seen two arrangements, and in this lecture as well we have seen two arrangements. I request you all to go through both the lectures so that you can understand well how you can practice by yourself about all of these questions and how accurately you can solve the questions of this seating arrangement. So thank you so much. Stay tuned with us. Keep watching, keep learning. Thanks a lot.